If you're seeing a Slack invitation error, don't worry. This is usually a simple issue, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to fix it. Whether your invite link isn't working, the email never arrived, or Slack says the invitation has expired, these steps will help you get back on track quickly. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is check the email address that the invitation was sent to. This sounds basic, but it's one of the most common reasons a Slack invite fails. Look closely for any typos, missing letters, extra dots, or the wrong domain name. If the invite was sent to the wrong address, the link won't work for you, even if everything else is correct. Next, ask the Workspace admin to resend the invitation. Sometimes the original invite was never delivered properly, or it may have been sent too early and expired before you opened it. A fresh invite often fixes the problem right away. If you're not the admin, reach out to the person who manages the Slack workspace and ask them to send a new invitation link. After that, check both your inbox and your spam or junk folder. Invitation emails can sometimes get filtered by your email provider, especially if you haven't interacted with Slack before or if your company email system is strict about external messages. Search for Slack, the workspace name, or the sender's email address so you don't miss the message. Once you find the invite email, open the invitation link and choose Accept Invitation. Make sure you're signed into the correct email account before clicking, especially if you use multiple inboxes or work profiles. If Slack opens in the browser and asks you to log in first, use the same email address that received the invite. Matching the email account is important because using a different one can trigger another invitation error. If the invitation link has expired, you'll need to request a new invite. Most Slack invites are time sensitive, so if too much time has passed, the original link may no longer be valid. In that case, ask the admin to generate a new one and try again as soon as you receive it. The faster you open it, the better. If you've gone through all of these steps and the issue is still happening, double check whether the Slack workspace is using any account restrictions or approval settings. Some workspaces only allow certain email domains or require admin approval before a new member can join. If that's the case, the admin may need to confirm your access manually. To quickly recap, first verify the email address, then ask for a resend, check your inbox and spam folder, open the invite link and accept it, and if the link has expired, request a fresh invitation. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the Slack invitation error immediately. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tips, app fixes, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.